Morning everyone, here we are at Mitch's morning munch and yeah, we're about to get undergoings, cooking some of this fine bit of horse we found in the back stables here. Morning, what's the crack there then? Yeah, this thing, yeah, this is my bake shack. Who this? This is who I am. I fucking wear the best garms. Yo, I'm Natty J and welcome to my shelf check. Here it is. We've freshly picked these tomatoes from the garden. The old hair can soak her up, you know. It's got a nice bit in there. Yeah. What? Yeah, sorry, one sec there. Pull her! That's a fucking unit, that is. That's top shelf, that is. That's the bottom shelf. That's the middle shelf. Got the best threads, you know, like got to cover the eyes because that's the second favourite thing on my body. One for good measure over here. Oh, the aromas already, you know. You gotta really just get her in the crevices. Like what? What is it? Like, yeah, what do you want to know? Like, sit. Yeah, you know, like, it's what it's like. Just fucking riding my bike, digging jumps every day from the fucking, you know. Pull her! Work boots because, you know, I don't stop the graft. Just like doing one of these. Just going up. It's like back on itself. I travel through time, I work so hard. Allows me to buy these lovely things. These clothes. These neck bracelets and pieces of shit like this. It does, you know, it doesn't compare to just the flowing form of thrift store find. Just checking my dick's not out, we're all good. All you fuckheads are using like wooden corners and just planking it up. Too much bump, you know what I mean? Just put a nice shelf to shelf. Got yourself a cabinet set in the woods. You can ride two corners, rest of your life, you know. Flambe a little bit here. Oh, she's a strong AI. Get it in there. There we go. Really get that meat nice and tender. One for the chef, you know. That's good stuff. A little more on there. One for the chef. One for the chef. Don't forget about me, eh? Just actually doing it. You guys can all go fucking suck it. Is this not us doing it? Oh, this is a banger, yeah. When dog your boner going stiff and your mind's going bum. Wait for it. Steve from in IKEA, you know what I mean? Like, he's fucking a top shelf guy. Robbie Bordov riding jumps, I need to ride shelves. Why do you think he fell off? Whatever it is, just get it out of the way so I can get to the next shelf. So whatever it is, next shelf. Next shelf. Next shelf. Pull her! Where's that fucking dog? Yeah, really get it going, eh? Yeah! Get out of it, we're fucking done, you can't! We're here to dig and ride and fucking have amazing girlfriends. We don't chase girls. I mean, women. Females. Don't even look at other females. We have the best female friends, female partners. We're here to ride bikes, have amazing female partners, and dig jumps. Yeah, I almost forgot, you know, because like, I'm the only one that digs. So, you know, it's kind of just me, you know, Savage John, you know. Natty Rennie, you know what I mean? Like just king of the nat, just was getting it done. Then what does he do? He goes and rides a fucking flow trail in fucking Whistler, and then next thing you know, he's off, falling off the edge because he didn't have good shelf support. Steve P. Pete's in his fucking name. He is natty. You know what I mean? He just encompasses nat.